Hey, it's Philip here and you're very welcome to today's Twyford tip. Today I've got a great tool for you. This is going to really help you get some ideas for your social media content based on actual live searches from the web. This tool is called Answer the Public. It's completely free. Now you do have to sign up for a free account and there is pro versions, but you got plenty of benefits from the free account. And what does this do? Well, you can put in search terms, keywords, I suppose phrases that maybe are related to your business. So for example, with me, it might be to do with social media, digital marketing, the various channels, and I can go in and find out what are people actually searching for. It displays, I suppose, search terms under various propositions and categories. So to further emphasize or to show you exactly what I'm talking about, stay tuned, because here is exactly how Answer the Public can bring you such content gold if you're trying to write your next post or you're trying to create content on social media for your target audience. So stay tuned. So we're here on answerthepublic.com and you will be presented with this very simple dashboard where you can put in a search term that you want to find out what people are talking about. Put in your country, your language of choice. Now I've just put in, for example, here social media strategy and Ireland. We'll click search and let's just see what the tool throws up. So it's here kind of just running through all of the questions and propositions that it can potentially find. It's coming back with 350 results. Let's see what it says. So it presents the data to us in two different formats. You can have a visualization chart, which maybe you like that. It's like almost like a mind map. Personally, I prefer it in the data format. I think it's just easier to read. But when you scroll down, you suddenly start to kind of get an idea as to potentially from what people have been searching for on the website. Here are some kind of very interesting questions that could really help you with your own content marketing. So for example, what are social media strategy? Obviously it's not good vocabulary, but you could expand on that. You know, what is a social media strategy? How do you develop a social media strategy? Over here, how to improve social media strategy. Maybe this is an area of your expertise. Maybe you're a strategist and you could write content that answers all of these questions. Let's go down a bit more here. You know, what digital media strategies? So some of these could even be just kind of the start of blogs. And you know, what digital media strategy would you use for a fashion business, for an electronics business, etc., etc. So you get the idea. So I think this is, for a free tool, this can give you so many content ideas to create content that could be very applicable to your target audience. So what I would suggest is come in here, it's completely free, sign up for a free account and start to just put in keywords to see what comes back. And as you drill through all of these various options, you may start to build a list of fantastic content that you could start to create, not only blogs but videos and short form content that could really resonate and be so useful for your social media. So I hope you found this Twyford tip useful. So I hope you found today's Twyford tip useful. Answer the Public has so many uses for your content. It will really help you, I believe, become even more targeted. And if you start to drill down and do some really kind of detailed searches, you may be very surprised with the type of content that you will get back, and it will further create more opportunities for new ideas with which to engage with your audience. Stay tuned. I will be back very soon with some more Twyford tips. Take care.